I had been seeing all the ads and things for these diffusers online. This is the Nēbu Diffuser. And so we tried it out, and this thing is so cool and well worth the investment because you get this diffusing canister here. But what's really cool about it is you open it up here and you have these little vials that you put into it. Now they have the little miniature scents that you can try out. These are like $7 a piece, so super affordable to try out. This diffuser is amazing because it connects via Bluetooth, and so you can set it up to run at certain times, at different strengths. And what I really love about that is the efficiency it gives you. We only have ours running during the kind of part of the day that we're all gonna be in the space and really using it, so that we will really get the most out of the scent. I don't run it frequently, so that way it allows it to really last and be economical, but also only be running when we're going to notice it. And I think that's a great feature. I love that with this, when you're ready for a new scent, it's as easy as taking off the old canister and putting on the new. It is that simple. You screw this onto the top here, put it into the diffuser, and everything is connected through an app on my phone to dispense the amount of scent I want, the frequency of the scent, and the time periods throughout the day and the week that I want this to be working. And so I highly recommend the Nēbu Diffuser if you guys are looking for a solution in your home to just have that beautiful smell. These are all very luxurious scents. It's almost like being in a high-end hotel, only it's my house, right? How wonderful is that? It just releases the scent throughout the scheduled time, and everybody who has walked through our home has noticed, wow, what's that smell? It smells really good. And it just kind of lingers throughout the home and helps the space to, yes, get put together with the work that I'm doing, but also just smell very luxurious and clean and fresh as we go. So if you guys would like to check out this Nēbu diffuser here, I am loving this one so far. Again, you make the one initial investment to get the machine, to have the pieces you need. You can get the vials. They're all very affordable and really can last for so long depending on your settings. I'll leave a special discount code down below so that way as one of our friends, you guys can get a special savings. And if you would like to check out the Nēbu diffuser, highly recommend it. We are enjoying it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. But a tidy home, a good smelling home, definitely big pieces of my priorities here as a homemaker.